Hindi na daw natin maririnig ang mga bagay na ito kapag wala na tayo. Lately, sa show na It's Showtime, biglang nag-segue si Vice Ganda tungkol sa kanyang na-share kay Ann Curtis na gusto niya daw magpa-eulogy. Ang background nun, Breelers, is that kapag eulogy, ito ay nasa event ka kung saan may lamay at nagsasabi ka ng mga magagandang bagay, mga naaalala mo tungkol dun sa namayapa na pinaglalamayan at that time. And most of the time, talagang mapapaluha ka, mapapaiyak ka dahil mamimiss mo yung tao. Ngayon, sa perspective ni Vice Ganda, gusto niya daw magpa-eulogy dahil nga gusto niyang marinig yung mga magagandang bagay na ito. Kasi nga, ang madalas daw na nangyayari kapag wala na yung tao, tsaka natin sinasabi yung mga emotions na unspoken. And most of these emotions are really feel-good, positive, and something that will make your heart melt. Ang point niya is, bakit hindi natin in-normalize yung konsepto ng magbigay tayo ng eulogy? On a personal standpoint, I think yung eulogy is really meant for a wake, yung event na yon. I have nothing against. In fact, I like the idea that he said na in-normalize natin yung pagkukwento or pag-share natin kung gaano natin mahal yung isang tao, kung gaano natin sila na-appreciate. Yung sa point nga ni Vice Ganda, yung eulogy, yung messaging nun, yung concept na let's spread love, let's spread kindness. Yan yung pinopromote ni Vice Ganda. And again, yung konsepto ni Vice Ganda na eulogy, it's just really for him to hear all the good things, yung mga most cherished memories mo with the person. Again, Breelers, I just hope na itong sa punto ni Vice Ganda ay magkaroon tayo ng awakening na mas maganda talaga na we always tell other people, not just our loved ones, even the people that we work with, how grateful, how appreciative you are of their presence, kung yung tulong nila, di ba? It's not always sunny. But the thing is, there are so many things to thank them for, and also your loved one, asawa mo, anak mo, magulang mo, mga kapatid mo, please tell them how much you love them. Because again, sabi nga nila, hindi na daw natin maririnig ang mga bagay na ito kapag wala na tayo. Well, the truth is, we can still hear them and we could still feel them. But iba pa rin yung pakiramdam na you're saying all these good things and memories dun sa buhay na tao and you get feedback right away.